He came out of the Louisiana Bayou, an unlikely legend with a skinny frame, tousled hair, and floppy socks. They called him Pistol Pete. He put his signature on everything he did. The thousands of points, the dazzling moves, none of them ever patented. Each one original. Never seen before, never seen again. Nothing Pete Maravich ever did was simple or serene or ordinary. Not in life. Not even on the court, the one place where he should have felt most comfortable, most at ease. Flashy and electric, Pete turned basketball into theater. For better or worse, he was the consummate showman, always in the spotlight, always on center stage.
Before the game would start, during the national anthem, he'd look up at the flag and then he'd look over to the scoreboard and
it's showtime.
Welcome back, my friends, to the show that never ends. We're so glad you could attend. Come inside, come inside. Come inside, the show's about to start. Guaranteed to blow your head apart. Last show, don't get your money's worth. Really show, it happened all right. You gotta see the show. It's a dynamo. You gotta see the show. It's rock and roll. Oh, right before your eyes, we put laughter from the skies. And he laughs until he cries. And he dies, and he dies. Come inside, the show's about to start. Guaranteed to blow your head apart. You gotta see the show. It's a dynamo. You gotta see the show. It's rock and roll.
He was revolutionary. What he did, no one had ever done before. Nobody had ever handled the ball like that. He did things with the ball that Bob Cousy in his dreams at night could not do.
He was really an artist, a dancer, a person who played with music in his ears, and you could not stop him.
He could go from inline to inline with the basketball in the heat of battle, quicker, faster than anyone I'd ever seen.
You could see his eyes light up from time to time because he knew he was going to mess you up along the way, you know. He was going to do something to just undress you. Whoa.
Pete made the ball disappear. One guy back, and the guy was backpedaling, and then Pete swiped at the ball like this to tip it over here and hit over the ball. The defensive man went that way, and he slapped it back this way. And the referee called traveling on him. He said, traveling? How do you know it was traveling? You have never seen anyone do that before.
We just bounce around out there, and the ball just seemed like it was something that he had from the time he was in a cradle, creating different ways in which to just display his love for the game. And here was a guy who was a basketball genius.
Come see the show.